Hi and welcome to the coupon camp. Today we're going to do some any day deals, okay? The first thing we're going to come to is we're going to come right here to the Clorox. The Clorox is at $2.75. Pick one of those up. And when we scan, we see that it is $2.75, but they gave us a $1 coupon, making that $1.75. Now, beginners, this is for you. Then I want you to turn right around right here, and I want you to pick up a Febreze car plug for $3.35. And I'm gonna scan that, and when I scan I see that it's $3.35, but we also have a $2.30 coupon off of that, making that, let's do the math because I'm not, take away $2.30, $1.05. Let's get to our next deal. I come right here down the detergent aisle, guys, and we're gonna pick up the Swallowtail at $1.95. Let's scan it. $1.95, and as you see it's $1.95. I am spending it here, and they gave us a 50-cent coupon, making that $1.45. Dryer sheets. Come right here to the Gang. These are new. These are the Gang Tangos right here. They are $4.50. $2.50 off coupon. So pick up that item, guys. Newbies, beginners, I want you to learn how to do small deals. Hey, beginners, come to this dollar aisle right here, and you're going to come right over here to the dollar toothpaste. You're going to reach all the way in the back, pick up the cavity, the crest cavity, 1.5 ounce, more 2.6 ounces, okay? And we're going to scan that. That is at $1, and we have a $1 off coupon, making that free. Now, while you're still in the dollar aisle, you're going to move right down here and get you some tissue. You're going to grab that one Sherman Essential Raw right here, and it is at $1. And it's at $1, and you get a 50-cent off coupon. So pick that Sherman up also. Newbies, this is how your deal should look. You should have one Swallowtail at $1.95. It's a 50-cent coupon. One Sherman single roll off the dollar aisle at $1. You should have a 50-cent coupon. One Gang Tango at $4.50. You should have a $2.50 coupon. One Crest 2.6 ounce off the dollar aisle at $1. You should have a $1 coupon. One Clorox at $2.75. You should have a $1 coupon. And one Febreze Auto at $3.35. You should have a $2.30 coupon. Let's do the deal. The Swallowtail is at $1.95. The Tango is at $4.50. The toothpaste is at $1. The Sherman is at $1. The Clorox is at $2.75, and the Febreze car clip is at $3.35, leaving us at $14.55. Now, you only have $10. Take away your $2.30 off the car clip. Take your $1 off of the Clorox. Take your $1 off of the Crest. Take your $2.50 off of the Gang. Take your 0.50 cent off of the Swallowtail, and take your 0.50 cent off the Sherman. Leave you at $6.75. Divide that by 6, and you'll pay $1.12. Now let's see what's worth $1.12. $1.12, which I think it should be like $3 anyway. And you're paying $1.12 for some Clorox. In that, you have all of these different items that you can pick up, okay? So don't forget that deal. What if you want to switch things in and out? You can pick up the Mr. Clean at $4. It's a $1 coupon. Or you want to go lower than that, you pick up the Magic Eraser 3-count Mr. Clean at $3.25. That $1 coupon is attaching. Here it is right here, $3.25. And here is the $1 coupon that is attaching, okay? I'm going to do a deal on the Persil. You know, it's a spend 20, save 5 coupon, then it's an instant spend 20, save 5. Now, I'm going to tell you something, guys. I did this deal on Sunday. It did not work for me, but let me show you why it did not work. Okay? We're here at the Persil. See these right here? Beware. So you see, we're going to scan that, and let me show you something. It's going to say $5.50. Now, Do you see this? It's only showing that off the instant. It is not showing the coupon. So do not get these because these don't work, okay? Now, what you're gonna do is grab this one. See these with this top on it. Now let me put the tops up against each other. See that? This is the one you're gonna grab like this. It's the 25 load. We're gonna scan it. Because I was so upset that this didn't work, guys. So okay, $5.50. Now, there is the coupon. You need that coupon. And then you need this instant offer. You need both of those offers, okay? Now, you're going to pick up one of these. And if you don't have two of these, pick this up. The Persil 16 pack right here. Make sure you scan it because instant offers, $5.50. There is the coupon again. And then there is the instant offer. You need both the coupon and the instant offer to attach. Now we're going to come down here and we're going to come to this Purex right here. Now I showed you a deal, the Purex where you can make money, but this is the instant offer we want. So this is the 115 load, $9.95. Remember I showed you all these coupons. You have a $2 manufacturer that's going to attach. That 5, spend 20, save 5 is going to attach. And then this instant offer is going to attach, okay? So, let's do the math. It's $9.95 for the Purex. It's $5.50 for each Purex. $20.95. You're over by 95 cents, and that's okay. Now we're going to take that $5 instant offer off, $5 coupon off, and then the $2 manufactured Purex. $8.95. Divide that by 3, and you're going to pay $2.98 for this Purex. $2.98. That's an awesome deal, guys. That is the deal that I want you to pay attention to. Make sure you scan because it have not been scanned. Let's get to our next deal. Okay, let's do another detergent deal, guys. And I think I talked about this in my Dollar General ad preview. So make sure you do that. I drop tips. I'm going to pick up 2 of these Arm & Hammer 77 loads. They're originally $9.50. They're on sale for $8. Pick 2 of these up. Detergent week at Dollar General is hot. Now we're going to scan that one, okay? Let me scan it for you and show you. Now that's $8. We have 2 offers. Both say spend 20, get 5 off of Arm & Hammer Select. So we know 8 and 8 and 16. So we need to pick up one more thing to round us out to $4. Make sure you scan to see which one is matching it. And I believe it's this Arm & Hammer right here. Let's see if it'll match the instant offers we have. That's $4.25. And it does, so pick up one of those. This deal, you're going to have 2 of the 77 loads of Arm & Hammer at $8, and you're going to have 1 of the Arm & Hammer Oxy's 14-count pack at $4.25. Make sure you scan. So here's the kicker for these 2 guys. Remember these coupons? They don't expire until June. We're going to turn it over. See that? It doesn't expire till 6/30. They're $2 each. So I have 1 for that one. Then I have another. Actually, I have 1 more. So all of those, okay? $8. So let's do the math on that. Okay, so 8 plus 8 plus $4.25 for the pack leave you at $20.25. We're well over. Now I don't know if both those instant offers will come off. We're not gonna. Hopefully it does. If not, it's still a good deal. Take that 5 off for 20 instant offer. Take that $2 off that one Arm & Hammer, take 2 off the other Arm & Hammer, leave you $11.25. Divide that by 3, and you're going to pay $3.75 each. This big giant Arm & Hammer is $3.75. This is an awesome deal right here. So if the 2 instant offers come off, it's even a better deal. If they do not come off, that's still a good deal. Remember, guys, I told you it's laundry day at Dollar General. Let's get to some more deals. You guys, start looking throughout the store because you know they have a clearance starting in store. It's called a reset on $4.29. And look, what's the first thing I saw? This right here, the Clover Valley instant pudding, is 50 cents. It was $1. So I'm gonna pick that up. I wish I could have found more. I want to make some. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one for now. Okay, guys, the General Mills cereal are 4 for $8. But remember, in my early ad preview, I talked about these coupons right here. Now I have 2 of these. On it down today, guys. I love when we can use our paper coupons that we haven't used in years. Okay, so I have 2 of those. I'm gonna pick up 4 boxes of cereal, General Mills. And look at these new ones, waffle. So I scanned the waffle. They're $3.85. They have a $1 cash back when you buy 2. So I'm going to make sure I buy 2 of those. And then I'm going to get the 4 for $8. So I'm going to have 2 $1 coupons to cover each box of cereal. Then I'm going to pick up 2 boxes of cereal that $1 coupon cash back attached to. And I'm going to get that back after I pay. And guys, if you look up here, I'm going to pick up 2 boxes of the multi-grain cereal, which I got one son that's autistic. He loves these. Don't ask me why. Look, another coupon on each box that I'm going to use for another deal. So, yeah, I'm going to get real good off of this. So, that's $8 for 4 boxes of cereal. They're going to give me $2. $1 off for each box. Then I'm going to get $1 back cash back. So $8. Then I'm going to get $1 off each box because that coupon is for 1 box. Take me to $6. Then they're going to give me $1 after I pay for it cash back. Take me to $5. Divide that by 4. I'm going to pay $1.25 per box of cereal back. Come on, y'all. We cannot eat detergent. Let's get to our next deal. Guys, let's look at the Eggos right here. They are 2 for $5. That means they are $2.50 each. Now, you guys know I love my blueberry waffles, so I'm going to pick up some blueberry, strawberry, and maybe some chocolate ones. This is how my cart looking right now. I'm going to do these boxes of cereal. I'm going to pay $1.25 each for these. These are going to be 2 for $5, so they're $2.50 each. These are going to be $3.74, and these are $2.97 or 87 cents one of those. I'm going to do separate deals, guys. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. This is how my cart is looking for my any day deals.